Katie, is your skin feeling a little bit dull lately?
How can you tell?
You must not be using your clear skin jelly mask again.
In this video, we're going to teach you how to make our clear skin jelly mask, which is going to make your skin go from feeling like this to feeling like this. So let's open up our box and show you how to do it. From our recipe box, we're going to grab our labels and find our recipe card. You're also going to grab your xanthan gum, which is a natural thickener and gives us our jelly consistency. We're also going to use Clear Skin Essential Oil Blend, which is our famous blend for making your skin look amazing.
From your big bonus box, you're going to grab your almond oil. And from your kitchen, distilled water.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
From your kitchen, you're going to want to grab 2 tablespoons of distilled water.
To our distilled water, we're going to add a pinch of xanthan gum, which is the same as 1/8 of a teaspoon. We're going to let that sit for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens, and then we'll be ready to use it. So BRB.
I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of almond oil to this.
And we're going to use that to dilute our Clear Skin Essential Oil Blend. And we're going to add 2 drops of that.
And then make sure you stir this to make sure it's evenly distributed.
All right, so this has now thickened. The xanthan gum has absorbed a lot of the water. So we're gonna use our whippy whip to mix this all together. You can also use a whisk. So now while you mix, I'm going to add this oil and it's going to get distributed throughout. Once it's done, it's gonna be this really cool jelly-like consistency. If yours seems a little bit runny, add a little bit more xanthan gum to help absorb that excess water. To use it, apply it to your face and let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes until you notice it's starting to dry, and then gently wipe it away with warm water. So if you want to take your skin from dull to radiant, use this amazing Clear Skin Jelly Face Mask and you are going to love the natural results. To get everything you need for this recipe, where should they go?
Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit the subscribe now button. So go and get your recipe box today.
See you next
See
time.
you later. You must not be using your clear skin jelly mask again.
She's right.